right. ගිය සතියේ අපි කතා කරේ music එකකට කොහොමද animation එකක් හදන්න කියලා. ඉතින් ඒකම ඔයාලට පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාලගේ second project එකට. So there are two projects basically. The first project is game with it's a multiplayer, single player, multi-level game. Any player කෙනෙක් levels කීපයක් තියෙන game එක. That is project number 1. And project number 2 is storytelling. So where you have to maybe look into some kind of like, you know, that so let's say Little Red Riding Hood or something like that, a fairy tale, and you can just take that and start animating the same, right? So I'll give you small guidance for storytelling today. So that is for your second project, and then we have to start our Python work. Last day ka kara do kollo. Have you done the last day work? That twinkle twinkle thing. So have you finished that? Lakshya, Devdisi, karada, ivara karada. Have you finished? Can you hear me, Pute? Senuka, can you hear me? Mawa ahenawada?
Oh, sir.
Okay. So Lakshya, have you done that or not? Devdisi? Okay, so you're silent means like you have not done.
Sir, I did it.
Did it? Okay. So can you send me the project file? SB3 project file, can you send me? Then I can look into that. Just send it to me, right?
The sitting wonder.
Sorry?
You mean the sitting one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, so now let's start the storytelling one with Red Riding Hood story, right? So you can select anything. So, but so let's select that Red Riding Hood story. Let me search for that. I have downloaded, I think.
Little Red Riding Hood.
Okay, see the story.
Little Red Riding Hood.
Grandma likes apple pie. Go to Grandma's house. Go straight to Grandma's house. And don't talk to strangers. Yes, Mom. I'll go straight there. And I won't talk to strangers.
Okay, so first 34 minutes. Mul tappara 34 balanna. First thing is introduction.
Little Red Riding Hood.
Grandma likes apple pie. Go to Grandma's house. Go straight to Grandma's house. And don't talk to strangers.
Okay. Now let's create that part, right? So I need a character, 2 characters actually. And the characters dekak corner. The character number 1 is Red Riding Hood. The character number 2 here it's her mom. Right. Let's erase this. And I need as a background. Let me select castle 2. I'm going to select castle 2. Right, then I need the Red Riding Hood and Red Riding Hood so for okay, do we have any character? Okay, for mom, I'll take this. Ammage character to mom make a gun. I need Red Riding Hood also. No, I don't have good character for that. So let's take again, take a look. What about fairy? Okay, I'll take fairy, right? And also princess. Okay, this is mom. And then the Red Riding Hood. So I'm going to edit it. I'm going to edit now. I'm going to edit this by going to the costumes, removing the wings, as I don't want that. No wings. Here also no wings. In all 5 images, I'm removing the wings. Then I'll rotate, actually flip the character, because they are talking to. I'll keep this as it is. Let's rotate this one, flipping. And the talking mode, I think this one and this one, fairy A and C for the talking mode, and B also. Yeah, fairy A and C can be used to generate talking mode. Then what about, okay, so what about the dress? Red Riding Hood should wear a red color dress, right? So I'm going to change that to red color. Some dark red. Red flower too. Okay, this is good. And you can add more things, right? Scarf or some other thing neither. So you can think about adding hoodie or scarf. It looks ugly, right? Only doing it. I'm not good in drawing. So you can do that. Okay, this is Red Riding Hood. This is mom. And this one also. This I need to change the color. Right? So please do this with me. And in this picture. Please do this first and show me. So that is actually we have designed and edited the costume. Okay, we have edited the costume. So now you have the mom and the Red Riding Hood. For the mom, also let's select some different color for her dress. Yeah, this is good. No, let's keep the color as it was. This is good. Skin color we can change a little. No, that is also not required. So let's keep as it is. Hi, so please do this first. Islam make a karanga. So let's include the title like a mulimma dalemu. So it's Little Red Riding Hood. So I'm taking another sprite this time and I'll take L. Okay, then I'm painting this. Actually, L I need to remove because I cannot add letter by letter, but can get that copy of that letter. L. Copy of that letter. Right click. Let's select and copy it. Then go to this, paste. Let's delete this one. Okay, now I can write Little Red Riding Hood. L-I-T-T-L-E, Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood, a different L. Let's increase the font size a bit. So this one. Handwriting, yeah, it's good. Okay, seems that is good. I need a background too. And I would like the background to be in white color. And in the back of this topic, right? A Little Red Riding Hood. Okay, this is it. And then let's write something. Story by animated story. You can put your name animated story, then you can put your name. Let's change the color and keep it as it is. Okay, so this is my initial frame, introduction. And I'll go back to my code and go into this one and put in 0 to make it like 0. Okay, now this is how we are going to start. Little Red Riding Hood animated story by Dasun, Nilanjana, something like that. This is my starting string. Little Red Riding animated story. And I need to talk actually, so therefore I'm going to the sounds, and on the sound I'm going to record new one. I'm going to record new one. Allow Little Red Riding Hood. Okay, here it is. Saving. Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood. It's noisy. So recording again. Recording again. Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood. That is better. Little Red Riding Hood. Okay, so let's apply that. When you click the flag, right into the sprite 1, that is this drawing. So from the looks, from control, I'm going to wait 1 second. After 1 second, from the sound, I'm going to play that sound until done. Then actually from the looks, I'm initially showing this. And after few seconds, let's say after 2 seconds, just after this, I'm going to enlarge from the looks. Change size by 10. But that is happening for few times. Repeat, let's say 10 times. Change size by 2, right? Then wait 2 seconds and hide it. Let's play and see. Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood. It's not changing the size by 2, it seems, right? Change size by 10. Little Red Riding Hood. No, it's not changing the size. Just wait after changing the size, right? Repeat 10 times. Let's move this maybe from the motion and glide in this way. And I'm gliding to X 480. I'm gliding for 3 seconds and hide it. So that's Little Red Riding Hood. That is somewhat good. It's a 2 seconds. Little Red Riding. When I start, the position should be 0, 0, right? When I start, it should be 0, 0. Little Red Riding Hood. And after this, actually, it should be hidden. Little Red Riding Hood. Hiding is not happening, but anyway. Show happens, but hiding. Okay, let's keep this as it is, like hiding doesn't matter. Say 500 here. Little Red Riding Hood. Okay, hiding in the sense it, like it's not appearing, but doesn't matter, like you can later hide this. Show and hide. Okay, do this now. Ah, it's hidden now. Do this now.
Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood.
Okay, so first part is like, you know, according to the video. So what was there?
Grandma likes apple pie. Go to Grandma's house. Go straight to Grandma's house. And don't talk to strangers.
Okay, this dialogue. So the princess, or this is actually not the princess, you can say mom. And this is a fairy in red. So mom is telling this one. So that can happen after few seconds, because after all these animations, you can start, let's say, let's wait 6 seconds. Then you can start getting that from the sound. You can say, or you can use this one, right? Sounds nathang, you can use this add extension, then text to speech. Text to speech, the purple color one. Then you can type this. If you're not interested in talking, you can type this. Speak. So what do you have to speak? Grandma likes apple pie. Then go to grandma.
Grandma likes apple pie. Go to Grandma.
Go straight to grandma and don't talk to.
Grandma likes apple pie. Go to Grandma. Go straight to Grandma.
And don't talk to strangers. Actually, so let's see, let's take this now from the beginning. Little Red Riding Hood.
Grandma likes apple pie. Go to Grandma. Go straight to Grandma. And don't talk to strangers.
Okay, here actually there's a small break. After 2 seconds you can do. And while talking, actually you need to animate ma. To do that, I'm repeating this for say 30 times. Repeating for 30 times. I'm putting this when space, when flat click. After wait 5 seconds, 6 seconds. Repeat 30 times. What you need to do? Looks well change karan on. Switch to consume this one and switch to the other costume. So I'm having Princess A costume. I'm shifting to C costume, and in between each costume, I'm waiting 0.2 seconds, right? So let's say 0.2 seconds. Now let's play and see. Little Red Riding Hood.
Grandma likes apple pie. Go to grandma. Go straight to grandma and don't talk to strangers.
Okay, that is a bit odd behavior. So let's put 40 in there. Costumes, I think we need to change that costumes, not the same costumes. This is the one. Angry mood. C is okay. C, D, E, maybe C, D, E. So let's have that. I'm not sure whether we are getting the exact same thing, but let's give a try. C, D, C, and E. Too fast. Too fast and mechanical. 0.5, 0.5, 0.3, 0.4, and 8 times. It is someone good. Let's say 4 times, right? 8. Little Red Riding Hood.
Grandma likes apple pie. Go to grandma. Go straight to grandma and don't talk to strangers.
No, that is good. Again. Little Red Riding Hood.
Grandma likes apple pie. Go to grandma. Go straight to grandma and don't talk to strangers.
Okay. So let's do it quickly. Don't just do this also. Change the Red Riding Hood also. Red Riding character also. Take up change. Change this character too. No, go to those, yeah. From that you can say go to front layer. Go to front layer. That you can keep in the beginning. Just go to front layer. Okay.
Little Red Riding Hood.
Grandma likes apple pie. Go to grandma.
Right.
Go straight to grandma, and don't talk to strangers.
Right. Okay. Then. Okay, this is my guidance, right? So you have to do this as a project, but not this one. Select any other fair story. Hari වෙන fair story එකක් තෝරගන්න මේකම කරන්න එපා. තේරුමක් නැහැ නේ මේකම කරලා. I'll show you something interesting. This is for you. Actually, this is done by grade this is done by grade 3 kid, right? That is the specialty. I'll show you what he has done. එතකොට දැන් මීට වැඩි හොඳට තියෙනවා මේ 3 වසරේ ළමෙක්. So grade 3 kid. Okay, you should do something better than this. So let's open Note from computer.
So can we convert Scratch project to video?
Sorry?
So can we convert Scratch project to video?
Yeah, possible. After creating, you can convert to HTML file or video. That file is like it's difficult to discover. Okay, let me drag and drop them. It will take some time because like project is a bit larger. Okay, you can see. So let me start now.
Little Red Riding Hood. Grandma likes apple pie. Go to grandma's house. Go straight to grandma's house. And don't talk to strangers.
Yes, Mom, they'll go straight there. And don't talk to strangers. Good morning. Where are you going? Good morning. Does Grandma like I'm going to Grandma's house. Yes, Grandma likes flowers very much. Yeah.
Okay. මොකද හිතන්නේ? Can you do that? ඊට වැඩි හොඳට පුළුවන් නේ? Devdesi? Lakshya, this is from grade 3 student, right? So you have to think like this. You are in grade 7, 8, 9, summer. So anyway, you saw that how he has done. This is actually from a grade 3. Actually, this is from grade 3, right? So he has taken maybe a few days to create, but you can also do this. Okay. Hari. එහෙමනම් අපි එතනට එනකන් කතා කරා. So storytelling, that is the project. So you have to submit 2 projects. One is the game. The පළවෙනි project එක තමයි game එක. Game එකේ levels කීපයක් තියෙන්න ඕන. There should be few levels in this game. And the next one is the second project is the storytelling animation. Storytelling animation, fair story, fairy tale. So that also need to be more than 3 minutes. Need to be more than 3 minutes. And විනාඩි 3කට වැඩි වෙන්න ඕන. Also you can submit this next day actually. So this December 16th. Today is December 16th, and next day is so this next day is December 23. So where's the Christmas holiday come? Let's see the calendar. Christmas should be 24th. Yes, Christmas in 24th, public sector holiday, 23rd is. Okay, so don't worry, I'll give 23 a leave, right? 23. So you can take that day also. And we will have class on 30th. Leave so you can enjoy your vacation because next Christmas is coming. And yes, this 25th is the Christmas day, 24th is the Christmas evening, and then yeah, so 23 you can take that day. So can you all submit this by 30th, both projects? Because I'm going to give the marks, then evaluation එක අපි දාගන්න එපා. The first spell එක first part එක ඉවර වෙනවා. ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ first part එක ඉවරයි programming එකේ. So you need that, we need to evaluate that. I'll give you Viva time. එතකොට Viva time එකක් දෙන්නම්. 30th තමයි Viva time එක දෙන්නේ. Individually, right? So I'll give, so within the class time, I'll give you individual time. Again, class time එක ඇතුළත ඔයගොල්ලන්ට individual time එකක් හම්බ වෙන උදාහරණයක් විදිහට මම කියනවා. For an example, you can tell Lakshya 4 to 4:15 is her time. Example. Nadun 4:15 to that is 30th. The 30th ඔයාලට demonstrate කරන්න ඕන. 2 projects, right? Remember. So you have 2 projects. Okay, please write down, otherwise you will tell no, I didn't tell. Right? So therefore I would like you to write down this. Please write down. Create a multi-level game for a single player. You need to include class එකේ කරපු ඒවා පුළුවන්. So if you have done in the classroom, you can enhance that and submit. But you have to present, right? You need to include 4 levels minimum. Present your game in Viva session on 30th December 2021. Then the assignment number 2. You can present in any language, Sinhala or English. Neither. Amatekkum puluwan present karanna. That doesn't matter. Only thing is you have to create assignment 2. Reanimate a fairy tale. Your animation duration, the duration of your animation must be at least 4 minutes. Submit it in HTML5 format. Present it in individual Viva session on 30th. Okay, these are the 2 assessments or the 2 assignments that you need to face in the first spell. පළවෙනි spell එක අනුව ඔයාලා මෙන්න මේ assignment එක තමයි face කරන්න ඕනේ. Finish writing?
No, sir.
You do the sensing or the video sensing in Stretch. Webcam sensing or video sensing. අපි බලමු ඒක දැන්. Right. ඉස්සෙල්ලාම මේකට මේ additional library එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ library එක දාගන්න ඕන. Extensions වලින් අපිට ගන්න සිද්ධ වෙනවා. Extension වල තියෙනවා video sensing එක. Video sensing. Then it's asked in a message to allow or not allow the camera. I'm telling allow. Right, allow. Then it will turn on the web camera. You can see myself. The mouth pain or transparent pain. When again when the flag click, ඊට පස්සේ video sensing වලින් අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් turn video on. Video camera එක on කරන්න, ඒක off කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. So flag click කරාම off වෙනවා. On දැම්මත් flag click කරාම on. Right now you can see the web camera is on. Off mode, web camera is off. Okay, so now the first thing that you have to try is that, right? On karna kodat, then you can see set the video transparency to 50%. එතකොට ඔයාලා භාගයට පේනවා. You can see half away, right? භාගයට පේනවා. එතකොට හොඳටම පේන්නේ නැතුව ඉන්න ඕන නම් transparency 0 කරා මේ වගේ 100%ම පේනවා. ඒක 100ට දැම්මොත් එහෙම ඔයාලට වෙන්නේ පේන්නේ නැතුව යනවා. හරි 100%. එතකොට නිකන් ඔයාලට පේන්නේ නිකන් මම නිකන් මේක ඇත්තටම වෙබ් කැමරාවකින් කරන වැඩක් නෙමෙයි. ආසාවට කරලා දෙයක් පෙන්නන්නම් ඔයාලට මෙන්න මේ වගේ වැඩක් ඕනනම් කරන්න පුළුවන්. මම දානවා repeat repeat 100 times. සිය පාරක් කරන්න. එතන මම මෙතන variable එකක් දානවා. I'm putting a variable. The variable I'm setting it okay, new variable. Transparency, right? So we can run video transparency. Initially setting to video transparency to turn on this. We set in VT to 100. එතකොට මම ඊළඟට කරන්නේ repeat 100 times today. Changing the VT by -1. එන VT අඩු කරනවා. ඒ VT ව මම set කරනවා මෙතන. Now what will happen, you know? Gradually it will get මේක මම on කරොත් එමීට තමයි මම පේන්න ගන්න. මේක fast වැඩි හරි stop කරලා ඉන්නන්නේ. එතකොට මේකේ sleep එකක් දා ගන්න ඕන control එකේ. I need wait 1 second. Each time I need to wait 1 second. After changing this, need to wait 1 second, otherwise it's not visible. Wait. Okay, now you can see gradually පොඩ තමයි මාව මතුවෙන්නේ. තප්පරෙන් තප්පරේ තමයි මාව පේන්න ගන්න. තාම හරියටම නැහැ. අපි දැන් මොන පොඩ්ඩක් වැඩිපුර පේනවද? තව ටිකක් වෙලා ගියාම මාව නිකන් පැහැදිලිව පේන්න පටන් ගන්නවා. අර මීදුම ඇතුලෙන් මතුවෙනවා වගේ. ඒ විදිහට මේ කැට් නම් ඕනේ නැහැ, කැට් පයින් කරලා දාන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් කැට් පොඩක් පැත්තට දාන්න. ඒකේ පොඩ මාව පේන්නත් හදන්න. දැන් ඔන්න මම ටිකක් 150ක් විතර පේන 167යි මෙතන පේනවා 166 65යි 64යි 63යි ඔය විදිහට 50ට විතර ආවම මාව ටිකක් හොඳට පේනවා. ඉතින් මේක තව පොඩක් ස්පීඩ් වැඩි කරමු. wait 1 second නැතුව මම දන්නවා wait 0.1 second. ඒකලා flag එක ක්ලික් කරන්න. Now you can see it's faster. Okay, gradually you can see me. Right? Something to just enjoy, right? So let's see, is it working in your machine? Because some computers there are some bugs, errors I have seen in some computers. Let's see. Let's turn off this. බලමු ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ කම්පියුටර්ස් වල වැඩ කරන හැටි. You can share it. Please share it. Okay. This is okay. When you click that, yes, it's getting that appearance. Yes, good. Others. This is easy work. Lakshaya's one is working. Devdisi, is it working in your computer? වාගේ වැඩද? සෙනුක නඳුන් වැඩද ඔයාලගේ? නඳුන් එර එකක් එනවා. හරියනවද?
මගේ මම ෆෝන් එකෙන් කැමරා එකෙන් ගන්න මම software එකක් දාගත්තා. ඒක නිසා මේ laptop එකේ කැමරා එක මෙතනට එන්නේ නැහැ.
නෑ ඒක පුළුවන්. එතනදී ඔයා අර සිලෙක්ට් කරන එක දෙන්න ඕන. ඒ කියන්නේ මොකද්ද කියන එක මේ කැමරා එක සිලෙක්ට් කරන්න එනවා නේද? මොන කැමරා එකද යූස් කරන්න කියලා එන්නේ නැද්ද? එහෙම ඔප්ෂන් එකක් මුලින්ම එනවා. ඔතන එන්නේ නැහැ. ඔය ඔතන එන්නේ වීඩියෝ සෙන්සින් වලින් අර ඔයාගේ එක්ක software එකේ මේක ඔෆ් කරන්න කැමරා එකේ.
හරි සර් try කරන්න.
uninstall කරන්න එපා software එකේ ඒක ඔෆ් කරන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ task එක ඉවර කළා end කරන්න ඊට පස්සේ හරියයි. හරි Devdisi and others. Devdisi සෙනුක පොඩක් පෙන්වන්න බලන්න ඕගොල්ලන් කොහොමද වෙන්නේ කියලා. come on. මනන. අනිත් අය software දාගෙනද නෑනේ. Don't take much time with it because like I want to finish this session now. Okay, Senuka. හරිද? Senuka press කරනවා flag එක click කරන්න. Senuka. හරිනේ. Yes, appearance එක එනවා. සුසින්දුගේ වල් දෙන්නගේ මේ පුළුවන් එතනේ නදුන්ගේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා. දෙව්දිසි still you have not shared. Okay, කොහොමද මේකේ motion එකක් detect කරගන්නේ? That is the next thing. How we can detect a motion. දැන් මේ කැමරා එක තිබිලා මදි. කැමරා එකෙන් අපි මොන හරි දෙයක් කරන්න එපා. මේකෙන් ඕනනම් කැමරා එක දාලා පොඩි ගේම් එකක් හදන්න පුළුවන්. ඒතර ගේම් එකක් හදනකොට කොහොමද අපි motion එකක් detect කරගන්නේ? That is the next thing. ඒකට අපි දාගමු forever එකක්. forever අපි මේක 50ට ගෙනල්ලා නවත්තමු 100ටම ගෙනාවට ප්‍රශ්නයක්. ඒ හින්දා මෙතන මම 50ක් දානවා. So it's reducing to 50, right? 50 වලට ගෙනල්ලා නවත්තමු. මොකද නැත්නම් 100ම පෙන්නවක් ඩක් අපහැදිලි. Then forever inside that if I'm detecting the video motion, to detect that I can say video motion on sprite video motion on sprite. From the operation I'm checking if it is greater than some figure. Video motion sprite, let's say greater than 20. මෙයාව තියමු අපි. පොඩි මියාව එකක් දාමු නේද from sounds. Start sound or play sound meow until done. Okay, starting. You can see. When I move, නේද මම පොඩක් move වෙනකොට තමයි මේ 20 වැඩි වගේ නේද? Greater than 20 දෙන්න නැතුව greater than 10 වගේ දෙමු බලන්න. එතකොට sensitivity එක තවත් ඒක වෙන්නේ. මෙතන එන්නේ මේ video motion එක අපි පොඩක් පෙන්න ගන්න ඕන නැත්නම් මේ video motion can we show that in stage? Variable එකට දාගමු. Set a new variable. Video motion VM. VM is the video motion. Set VM to the video motion. With that VM I'm testing, right? Then I can see what is the video motion. No motion. Okay, then what pena video motion එක 10යි 18යි පොඩ්ඩක් මොන 50යි 50ට විතර තමයි යන්නේ උඩ පොඩ්ඩක් කෙලෙගොම ටිකක් වැඩිපුර හොලවන්න ඕන මදි ඒක ඩිටෙක්ට් වෙන්නේ නැහැ මියාව කියන තරම් ඉන්නේ 50 පන්නනකොට දෙමු 50 pixels වගේ okay now you can see මෙහෙම normally නෑ right okay 70 right හරි කළා බලමු වීඩියෝ මෝෂන් එක වැඩි නම් තමයි මෙයා කෑ ගන්නේ වීඩියෝ එකේ පොඩි මූවමන්ට් එකක් තිබ්බොත් ඒ කියන්නේ හෙලවෙන්නේ නැතුව තිබ්බොත් අපිට මේ වගේ පොඩි දේවල් කරන්න පුළුවන් පුංචි ගේම්ස් හදන්න පුළුවන් සමහර වෙලාවට අර දැන් මේ වගේ එකක් නිකන් so let's think like that so there's a gem and you have to secretly take that gem but in case of video sensing the cat will shout right එතන අපිට පොඩි ගේම් එකක් හදන්න පුළුවන් ජෙම් එකක් තියෙනවා අපි දැන් අතින් ගන්නයි යන්නේ මෙන්න මෙහෙම ගන්න යන්නේ හැබැයි ගන්නකොට අත හොලවන්න බෑ වැඩිපුර හෙලවුණොත් කැට් කෑ ඒ වගේ you can create a virtual games like that or you can move the cat right not just this you can move the cat to the random position you can glide cat to a random position cat will move away okay see here 50 එන්න ඕන වීඩියෝ මෝෂන් එන්න ඊට පස්සේ තමයි පටන් ගන්න okay now let's start okay cat will run away this you can do මේක කරන්න පුළුවන් start doing this now yeah it's working so but video motion should be exceeding 50 right and it's 50 exceed okay there are interesting things like you can use maybe another you can use something like another game of Thrones ඒ වගේ පොඩි games වල එහෙම තියෙන්නේ චූටි stick එකක් වගේ ඒ වගේ color එකක් ඕනනම් use කරන්න පුළුවන් මේකට හරි කියන්නේ video motion එක තමයි දැන් on sprite දාලා මේ ටික විතරනේ තියෙන්නේ video motion on sprite sprite එකකට video motion එකක් වෙනවා නම් කියන එකනේ එතකොට අපිට පොඩ්ඩක් මගේ ළඟ නෑ මොකද stick එකක් මේ වෙලාවේ no I don't have a proper stick okay I'll send you a sample so I don't have a stick here so otherwise like I could have display what can be done අර stick එකකින් ගහනවා වගේ හදන්න පුළුවන් එයාට එතකොට යනවා වගේ මෙතන මගේ ළඟ මේ වෙලාවේ නෑ මොකද ඒකට අතරම රෙඩි වෙලා හිටියේ it's my mistake okay so you can add this part also right to your storytelling no storytelling එකට වඩා game එකට පුළුවන් නම් එක level එකකදී you can add your face detection also Yeah. Okay, sorry. Then the webcam part, I think you can do the now. So
මගේ ටිකක් බලන්න ඒක වැඩ කරනවා.
share කරන්න. වැඩ කරන්නේ නැද්ද? Screen එක full screen දාන්න. ඔයාගේ වීඩියෝ මෝෂන් එක පොඩ්ඩ එන වීඩියෝ මෝෂන් එක 1 එන්නේ. ඒකයි වීඩියෝ මෝෂන් 1ම තමයි තියෙන්නේ. බලමු ඇයි ඒ කියලා පොඩක් කෝඩ් එකට. ඒක forever ඇතුලේ එන්න ඕන වීඩියෝ මෝෂන් එක. නැත්තම් මුල 1 විතරයි තියෙන්නේ. if එකට කලින් එන්න ඕන forever ඇතුලේ. set video motion it should be coming. Otherwise it change වෙන්නේ නැහැ. හැම වෙලෙම change අර 1 ආව මුලින් එන 1 විතර. Now try. නෑ දැන් හරි. දැන් එන්න. ඕක අර stick එකක් එහෙම තියාගෙන මේ කරන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ stick එකක් කියන්නේ මෙහෙමයි. So when you are using stick you know, okay, Nadun you can share. In the set transparency to 10. Nadun අර video motion එක දාලා නෑ මම හිතනවා මේ
වැඩ කරනවා සර් මේක.
වැඩ කරනවා.
ඔව් සර්.
වා මේ ඒක තමයි ප්‍රශ්නේ තියෙන අර වීඩියෝ මෝෂන් මට පේන්නේ නැහැ නේ කොච්චර amount එකක් තියෙනවද කියලා. මේ මම කියපු එක මෙන්න මේ වගේ. So what I said is like this. You have the LED sticks. LED sticks. These are luminance, right? These LED sticks are luminance. You can see something like this. Here. These are luminance. You can use this light stick. මෙන්න මේ වගේ. එතකොට ඔයාගේ transparency, you have to reduce your transparency to like 90 or 90-80 වගේ reduce කරන්න. You have to reduce the transparency to 90 or 80. But still, since this is luminance, that LED stick is visible. Then you can use this LED stick to activate the actions. Because it is light, no? Your face will not be visible. Your face motion will not be detected. Face motion එක detect වෙන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි LED stick එකේ motion එක detect වෙනවා. ඉතින් ඕගොල්ලන්ට හදන්න පුළුවන් මේ වගේ එකක් ඕනද? Example, one example, right? Something like removing mosquitoes. Removing mosquitoes. So I'm not sure actually is there any such game. Video sense. Search like that, sometimes you might get. There are different games, but mosquito sensing, that one is not there. It's not there in the game. Yeah, the balloons. So maybe you can try. So I think this is like mosquito invention game. Try this in your computer. You have to try this. So there are videos. You have to go and watch this and then try. So there are nice things. Even drawing in the scratch screen. So those things are possible. So but you have to use not just the video sensing, then this drawing tools too. Stream drawing වලට මෙහෙම වෙනම එකක් තියෙනවා. Stretch වල මේ තියෙන. So this one and this pen tool. So this one with pen tool you can use. Let's say a pen tool එකක් බලමු අපි ටිකක් ගන්න. So this is also easy. Okay, I'll take a new file. I'll take a new one. Okay, still my video sensing is there. I'll turn off that. Turn video off. Turn video off. Events. When flash click. Turn video off when flash click. Okay. Then let's move to the flag click, and I'm going to, this time I'm going to use some other sprite, let's say pen or pencil. නදුන් වීඩියෝ එක බලන්න හැබැයි අයින් වුණත් මේක වෙනස් කැලලක් කොටසක්. So I'm reducing the size to 40. Pencil size to 40. Then what I need to do, I need to use pencil, pen. Initially erase everything. If there are anything in the screen, erase it. Screen එකේ තියෙන දේවල් erase කරන්න. Then I'm going back to the pen and pen down, and then pen up. Set pen color. Set pen color. So you can see there's a color code. Right? You can change pen color. And I'm going to do this forever, or no, that's not forever. I'm repeating this, let's say repeating this 300 times and changing the color by 1, right? Very small amount. Repeating this 300 times. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pen down inside this. Then pen up after each drawing. I'm going to set the pen down here in the motion. I'm going to set the pen down somewhere in x0, y0. Okay, then like let's say go to 0, 0, pen down, then okay, I'm moving 10 steps, moving 10 steps and rotating 1 degree. After each, let's see what's happening now. You can see it's nicely drawing some shape, but the color remain blue. I just want to initiate with the blue color and later change it. So let's start here and need to move 100 steps. Let's see. Okay, that's it. You can draw motion-based graphics, right? You can combine video sensing and the video sensing with this one. Video sensing එකයි මේකයි දෙකම color drawing දෙකම combine කරලා එක එක shapes හදන්න පුළුවන්. මම මේ කරේ මෙතන ඉඳන් මෙතනට 0 0 to 100 0 0 to 100 and each time I'm turning 1 second. So altogether 360 seconds in a circle නේ circle එකක් ඇතුලේ 360 circle තියෙනවා. එතකොට ඔයා බලන්න මේක වටේම යන්න ඕන මෙහෙම කරන්න. And you can even change the pen size. Right now it's full circle. එතකොට change pen color 0.1 වගේ දුන්නා නම් එතකොට මේ color change එක smoothly වෙන්නේ. You can see more smooth color change. Right, let's do some more thing and okay, I'm putting 0.23. So that is the color change. And also I'm changing the pen size, right? Set pen size. Initially I'm setting the pen size to 2 or 3 or 4. Bigger pen. You can see smooth color circle. Bigger pen size. Not just this, right? Make විතරක් නෙවෙයි, you can innovatively create nice graphic using this. අලුත් graphics හදන්න පුළුවන් මේකෙන්. ඔයගොල්ලෝ හිතන්න. You have to tell where to move, where to move and where to go likewise. So this is just a circle because of, and if I change this to okay, let's change this to variables. I'm setting a variable, making a variable and degrees. Set degrees to 360, and each time I'm setting the degrees here. So initially it's setting this, and so using the same degrees you can see This is what I'm getting. It's coloring the entire string. Okay. Right. I think you can do this alone. Right. I have given enough instructions. You can try to do this alone. So you can change the variables, variations, and you can always maybe change the decrease by 1. Let's say change the decrease by -5 each time, and I'm drawing the decrease now. What will happen? Okay, a different shape now. It's never ending to. The kind of screensaver. Screensavers have you seen? This is acting like a screensaver. Right, it's totally random. 15 degrees. Or even you can put a random. Without using decrease, you can just put a random. Random bars, like this. From the operations, I'm picking a random, sorry, sensing, no, operations. Pick a random. Move, pick a random between 1 to 200. It's a random. Now, a random bar. Okay, so various graphics, various creations, various illustrations you can try with this. That is totally up to you to how to innovate. So I just guided. You are the creators. Okay, so take a screenshot of that, snapshot of that, and try this. So hopefully today's lesson, I think it is interesting one, because we tried different libraries. So you have to come up with different innovations now. Think about the drawings and think about the innovations and do your work. And for the width also, you can set the random, right? The pen size also, then it will be more interesting. Let's say you check the pen size, then pen size random set pen size to set pen color to also random. Then set pen size, that is also a random. So then what will happen? See this, right? Try set pen color to, let's say 1 to 300, some value. Set pen size to 1 to 10, some amount. Okay, small bars, large bars, right? I think you have seen this kind of illustrations in internet. Abstract shapes, illustrations. Right. I'll stop from here. Okay, no. So please watch the recording if you miss. I'll stop from here. Make a කරලා බලන්න කරලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ innovative අලුත් දේවල් කරන්න. Not just circle, මම මේ circle එකක් පාවිච්චි කරලා විතරයි කරේ. Just to rotate and do something. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ලස්සන shapes අඳින්න පුළුවන්, grass වගේ අඳින්න, stars, falling stars අඳින්න වගේ ගොඩාක් දේවල් කරන්න පුළුවන් drawing එක. Drawing එක ඇත්තටම වැඩ වැඩි. Okay, then next week is leave. Next week ඔයාලට classes නැහැ. Have a week after next week you have Viva, individual Viva. Last time එකේ my session එක තියෙන්නේ. එක එකනට මම එක times දෙන්න. You have to present according to. ඒතකොට දෙකක් තියෙනවා projects කරන්න. ලබන සතිය කරගෙන යනකොට ලබන සතිය මදි වෙනවා නම් කියන්නේ මම තව එක සතියක් දෙන්න. Right all. But new year we have to start the new lesson. Then have a nice day. Goodbye. See you all next week.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night.